Next, I'm going to be mixing Azo Orange 276. I'll mix it with some white. This art creation essential acrylic paints are 75 mils. They're also available in much larger sizes. These ones are portable. I bought this as a pack of 10. So I mix that in the condiment container, which is very convenient because they have covers and I don't need to mix too many at a time. This is just enough for about 4 shirts. Yes, you can print many shirts, just one condiment bowl of paint. And as I mix it, I keep comparing the color to the color of the t-shirt so that I know the shade that will be best for the t-shirt to look really beautiful. I spritz it with some water so that the top of the paint will not harden easily. There will be the barrier of water there. I keep cleaning my palette in between mixing. I have my jar of water to the left. Now mixing red. This is Carmine 318. I'll mix it with a little bit of titanium white. Titanium white 105. Mix it thoroughly so everything from top to bottom is mixed equally and uniformly. You see how convenient it is using this condiment bowl. The mixing, the size, the shape, very easy. And even I can clean off the edge of my palette knife easily because it's sharp and smooth and straight. I keep mixing and mixing until everything is uniform. All the colors are uniform. Then I wipe on my paper towel. Mix one more time. Mix. Scrape off excess. Yes. And I cover it and set it aside with the others. Then I wipe clean my palette knife on one side of the paper towel. Wipe it clean properly. Then I rinse it in the water and it's clear. I'll show you the water now. My glass of clean water. Immediately it clouds, you have to change it. It's still very clear now, so continue using it. You see, I was able to clean my palette knife in that water, all 7 colors, because I wiped it thoroughly in the paper towel.